Y'all must think I give a f. I didn't custom paint this motorcycle for anybody else. And I don't care if you like it. You know, and I wouldn't have put weeks and weeks into this thing if I was worried about what anybody else was gonna think about it. I don't care what other people think. And you shouldn't either. You shouldn't conform to society rules just because you're worried about what people like and don't like about the things you're doing. And you don't have to impress others who don't share the same taste in things as you do. That's what makes us, what makes you unique, is doing your own thing and not trying to please the masses. You'll get dragged down so fast constantly worrying about what other people think of you or what other people think of the things you think are cool. There's an old saying that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, which is more commonly used to justify dudes that are attracted to ugly bitches. But it's true, and you have the freedom to have your own taste and your own style. So don't let those hateful losers bully you out of doing or having things that you think are cool. And I know, my bike is pretty edgy. And although it doesn't exactly represent my personality very accurately, it serves a purpose. I got to be creative and make something unique, something that challenges people's perspectives a bit and leaves them with the open question of why. And a lasting impression is really my only goal. And hate spreads so much faster than love, which ironically means that my haters are gonna help boost this channel to the top. So, tell me what you think of my bike. Oh, and it's a 400. Subscribe.